The Creative Grids multi-size half square, quarter square triangle ruler is actually two rulers in one. On one side, you have a triangle that will cut half square triangles from 1 inch to 5 inches and every half inch in between. If you flip the ruler around, you can cut quarter square triangles that finish up to 5 inches. On this ruler, the measurements are the actual finish size of the triangle that you want to cut. For instance, if I am cutting half square triangles and I want to cut a finished triangle or create a finished triangle that will finish 2 inches, I need to cut a 2.5 inch strip. The tip of the ruler is placed, there's a little white dash line here that will be placed on the edge of the strip. So when I take a 2.5 inch strip and cut the triangles, it will work. So I'm going to take this fabric and I'm going to cut a 2.5 inch wide strip of fabric. And we'll show you how fast and easy this is. I'm just going to trim off the salvages because you never want to use those in your quilt. So I'm just cutting a straight edge on this side. And then when I use this particular ruler, I can take this and I'm going to use the 2 inch side, and that little white dash line is going to be off the side. And see how the 2 inch measures on the bottom, because that's the finished size, so you never have to do the math. And I'm going to trim this side, then I can flip the ruler around. Again, that little dash line is going to be on the edge of the fabric. And I can continue to cut and rotate to create my half square triangle units. Then I will sew these together, and there's a little nub at the top, so when I place this on top of here, I'll be able to match up my seams accurately. So I'll just cut different colors of fabric and put them together to do my half square triangles. Now, if I want to do the same thing on the quarter square triangle, I can take my strip set, and this has a little black hash mark at the top, so I would lay it on my fabric so this little hash mark was right there and that this lined up with the bottom of the fabric. Here, I'll open this up so you can see a little better. So the little dash mark is right there. The black line is marked at the bottom, and in this particular case, my finished quarter square triangle will measure 4 inches. So I'll take the ruler and continue to flip it in both directions, lining up the little black hash mark at the top and the black line at the bottom, and continue to cut all the way down the side. And if I cut these out of all different fabrics and place it together, I would end up with a unit that looks like that. Let the ruler do all the math for you.